Ken, it was a celebration that Mike's peers say could only happen his way. Instead of lots of tears and people dressed up in common funeral attire, attendees kept it casual, told funny stories, and knocked a few drinks back as well.
He was a wonderful person, and he deserves this honor. He gave to everyone, even in the last hours here on this earth.
Michael Durnen was born in Winona on October 5th, 1968. He loved his place of birth so much that he dedicated 22 years of his life working in Winona as a park maintenance employee. His wife Amanda recalls meeting Mike at her old job 16 years ago.
We both worked in the school system and eventually continued our career paths and found our ultimate goals and jobs in life.
Amanda can't help but to smile when remembering the way Mike popped the question to her while she was in Japan with her daughter.
I think it was just the revelation of, I don't like when she's gone. And so I was at a hotspot Wi-Fi, and he called and he said, "Where would you like to get married?"
That is when things took a turn.
And we lost Wi-Fi.
Fortunately for Amanda, her future husband was resilient and romantic.
Hours later, another Wi-Fi hotspot, and he said, where are we going to get married? And I said, "Are you serious?" He goes, "I don't like when you're gone."
His best friend Mark Walters remembers him for always being a genuine family guy.
He put all of his activities and everything to the side and put family first, basically. He's just genuinely the nicest guy in the world, and he had a big heart.
Another close friend, Pat Morrison, describes Mike as selfless and a blessing.
He had a huge impact, and that's something I try to do, and I learned a lot from him.
Right.
Amanda sums Mike up in just a few words.
He always wanted to lead by his actions,
Yep.
and he always said how much you can learn just by listening.
Yep.
Mike Durnen passed away last Friday, November 17th, at his home surrounded by his family after a long-standing battle with colon cancer. In his memory, they honored his last wish by substituting a moment of silence for a last one back, where attendees were handed a can of Busch Light. Durnen is survived by his 3 children, Colin, Lainey, and Jack, as well as his wife, Amanda. His family and friends are planning to create a scholarship in his name to honor him further. It just goes to show you that though Mike Durnen is gone, he will certainly never, ever be forgotten. Ken?